Oh my god.
That is gorgeous, though.
Hello!
It's time for some very important research.
Yeah, we're remaking a video in a way.
We are. We are attempting the wide burger again.
The debate.
Yes.
So Devin, recap from last time.
It all started
Devin is team wide burger.
because it's so hard to eat a tall burger.
I'm team tall burger. So last video, we put it to the test. But it wasn't really a true test because the bun we had for the wide burger just did not work.
Yeah. It put it at a real disadvantage.
It really did. Like, it just wasn't an enjoyable experience to eat that burger, in my opinion.
Yeah, so the tall burger won.
Yeah.
For sure.
So we said we were gonna do that video again.
Yes.
And this time do it right because we were gonna make burger buns.
That's right.
And we did.
I think you need to reveal these buns. Show the buns! Oh my gosh! Okay, we need like face for
it's
scale.
like bigger than your head. And then I got like a little normal sized bun
This
here.
is so beautiful. I could cry.
So Devin's gonna make her wide burger. I'm gonna make my tall burger. We're gonna do Big Mac style burgers.
Yeah.
And then we'll have a true taste test and see if we truly like wide or tall burgers better.
Yeah.
Again, I think this is wider than is normal. I think my wide burger is probably about half the size of this, but my dough
Come on.
rose way more than I intended it.
Come
to.
on.
But how can you not?
This is not an accident.
No,
this
it's
is
great.
fate.
So we're gonna make some burgers.
We're gonna make a lot of burger.
That burger I feel like could feed like 6 people.
You cut it like
Yeah,
a...
try. Should we do
What is
that? Okay, so we're gonna just start making some
Prep.
burger stuff.
Prep it up.
Prep it.
Okay, let me know when you're done.
Are you gonna make mac sauce?
No, I'm going, where are we going?
Okay, you're making mac sauce?
It looks like it.
Okay, I will chop a bunch. Looks like it.
I'm gonna need a lot, huh? Like, we're making a lot.
Especially for yours.
Especially for mine.
Now, question.
No.
So mine,
No
Big
questions.
Macs are typically have a bun in the center.
Oh, yeah.
Should I make it like a classic Big Mac to really make that true experience? And because the idea of a wide burger is so that it doesn't have to be so tall because it's spread out.
Yeah.
You get all the same stuff just on a thinner layer throughout, right?
That could be enough. For
Good
2 regular burgers and a big burger?
Good question.
Oh, jeez. Okay. The question was about, I don't know.
Should I do like a classic size
You gotta
Big
make
Mac?
sure it is tall, right?
Yeah.
But
And
where are
like
you gonna
last
get the
time we
middle?
did this, I mean, I can cut a piece out of the other bun.
Oh, I see.
Or should I make 2 burgers?
No, I think we don't need that
Okay.
much.
Last time we had the height because we also did like mushrooms and things like that.
Kept putting
Like I
stuff
think
in
I
there.
could make the height work. Like I could also do 2 patties, but not the bun in the middle.
Yeah.
So really get that height still there.
No
just
matter
don't
what,
have a
isn't
bun.
it 2 patties?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I just mean not the bun in the middle
Yeah.
separating it.
Okay.
We could do that. Or I could just add another part in the middle. I can figure that out.
Yeah.
Make a classic Big Mac.
Yeah.
Now last time you did this, I don't think you used shreddis. I think
I
you just
like
used
a
the
huge
leaf
piece
flat.
of lettuce.
So what would your preference be this time? Because I'm still gonna do shreddis.
I don't have a preference this time.
Okay, so I'll do a bunch of shreddis.
Yeah, I don't think it made a difference.
I don't think so either.
It was just funny.
Thought it worked perfectly.
And that does make a difference.
Yeah, funniness.
That's very cold!
Okay. Because you're just doing 1 patty, right?
So cold!
That's the point of a
Yes.
wide burger. Is
Yes.
You should only need 1 patty.
1 layer of everything.
Yeah.
Oh gosh!
Are you okay?
No.
It smells so bad.
What are you talking about? I have to make sure this is gonna stay together too. I feel like that was a stressful part of.
Yeah.
It's really cold. It doesn't feel like I'm playing with food right now. I feel like we're doing some kind of craft. Is that
It's a
wrong?
gross craft. But I think I understand.
It's only gross if you make it gross.
It is gross.
Okay.
Devin,
Yeah.
you're almost there.
What?
Whoa.
That is pretty good.
Yeah, a little wider on all sides, mainly top and bottom. But I think you're actually pretty close.
All right, let me add it. I'm just gonna like completely reform it. Is that a bad idea?
Whatever you want to do. I don't know.
I'm worried that it's not
Not
structurally sound.
Do you think it'll be more structurally sound if you... Do you want to add breadcrumbs to it? Is that weird? Is that no longer a burger? Oh, you're going for it. You're doing it. You're doing it. Oh, boy.
This is a weird time. I just want it to all
how
come
they do
together.
it at McDonald's.
This is normal. No, this is more technique than McDonald's. Come on.
Oh, yeah. So much more technique.
This is... I'm going for a Michelin star.
Yikes. I mean, look at
A
those
big
buns.
meatball!
That's a really big
Should we
meatball.
make big meatballs?
Yeah, we should do that. Should we get little and big everything? Actually, that would be a fun one. Let us know if you want us to do spaghetti and meatballs, big versus small meatballs. Because like one big meatball with a bunch of spaghetti around it, or a bunch of little meatballs.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, they would be so cute! Okay, you know what I need? You know what I need?
What do you need?
Another piece of parchment
Okay.
and a rolling pin.
And a roll. Do you need more meat than that though?
I don't know. No.
You don't think so?
I don't know.
Here's this. You want that like that, I assume.
Yeah.
Okay. And a rolling.
I think it's gonna be the
The
best.
technique.
I think it's gonna be the best technique. This is okay, but
I mean, you gotta
It's
clean
gonna-
it anyway. Sorry.
it's gonna get.
You still got a half a burger left if you want to add weight to it. Honestly, that's actually working so well, Devin. Incredible.
I think that's a good size. I'm
Let's
really
see.
afraid it's not gonna stay together.
Ready?
You want it bigger?
Up to you. It's your burger.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
I'm so nervous.
Go for it. Do it.
It's so thin. I'm worried it's not gonna come off
Why wouldn't it come on? You can also leave the parchment on there a little bit.
until it cooks a bit.
Until it cooks a bit, yeah. It's up to you.
Let's just see.
Oh, it looks like it's working.
Let's just see what happens.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
it's like trying to peel off a label perfectly.
Right.
Satisfying. Oh,
Burger.
yeah.
They're on top of each other.
Oh, that's nice. They like each other. Woo! Getting hot in here. That's not gonna work.
You don't think so?
I will mess that up. I don't know, man.
Yeah, I think a regular spatula is safest. I think you just gotta move quick.
Oh, that's my specialty? It's not.
It's not.
It's not. I hesitate. I get in my head too much. Whoo! Yeah, feeling good, feeling strong,
Yeah.
feeling wide.
I feel like you could cut this in quarters.
Oh, could be nice.
Yeah.
I think I can do it.
Okay. I believe in you.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey!
easy. Do you want a lid?
Yeah. Top and tail. Should I make it more exact?
Whatever you want.
The pressure. Oh wow. The technique. Oh,
From the pressure to oh, the technique.
Whoa, that melted so nice.
The violet melts really well.
Melt. That is a perfect melt.
Yeah.
Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Okay. Time to build some burgers. Is the knife.
Yeah.
Figure out where to cut it. Do you want me to we gotta make sure it's going straight, eh?
It's not going to.
Like, I just mean so that it's not super thin on the bottom.
Am I doing okay?
Let's see. So you might need to try this.
Oh, turn it sideways.
Yeah. And do half at a time.
It's perfect. Wow. Wow. I want to wear this as a hat.
Wow, it honestly looks great.
It feels great too. I gotta say,
Yeah.
it feels really nice.
All right, we're gonna make our Big Macs.
Gotta get saucy. So
Saucy.
go ahead. Wait, what's the order? Anyways, I forget.
I don't know, so I'm
Sauce?
just doing whatever.
Is it lettuce on the bottom?
I'm gonna put lettuce on the bottom because it just stays better, but I don't
Yeah.
actually know if that's the order or not.
Structurally, it makes sense.
I think it's this, then bun, then onions, then pickles,
That makes sense.
right?
Yes.
Not then bun, then burger.
Yeah. Okay, let me go get my burger.
So much ass on.
It's close.
Yeah.
I forgot to put the lettuce.
Do you want to move the burger?
Nope. I'm not doing that.
The order doesn't really make sense, but I'm just doing it.
Sorry, let me put this whole salad on here. This
Right.
is not economically responsible.
There you go.
Wow!
Burger.
That's beautiful!
It's nice.
But it's the bun. It's the bun for me.
That makes it beautiful.
Yes!
Look at that.
That is an artisanal bun.
Yeah, that's nice.
Sorry, I'm gonna be here for 3 days.
I feel like because the bun is so big, it's still similar height, but but you get it.
Woo!
So.
Woo! It's like icing a cake.
Okay, but I need to take a photo of this.
Yeah, you do. We used up all the sauce.
That's
By we, I
gross.
mean me.
Oh my god.
That is gorgeous, though. This is amazing.
It's so funny.
What the freaking heck?
Are you gonna slice it or are you just gonna bite it?
Oh, come on. I can't just bite that.
This isn't even like a tall burger. But
No, I would say it's just above average.
Yeah.
But it's not like dislocate your jaw.
Yeah. Should I cut this in half?
Sure. That's pretty.
That's a pretty burger. Okay. Cut yours.
I'm intimidated.
It's a big burger. We could eat probably in halves. Look at that bud. All right. Are you gonna eat it like that?
Should I?
You should.
Okay, wait.
Okay. I'll go on the small burger first.
This is a handful.
This is a messy burger.
That's
still.
a mouthful. This is a handful.
Yeah, ready?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's a good burger.
Wow.
Honestly, homemade buns make a way bigger difference than I thought they would.
Yeah. That's
This is a really messy burger still.
You know what? It's feeling pretty clean over here.
Not clean over here.
It's still because of the height of the bun.
Mm-hmm. But it's a less messy experience.
Yes.
Oh, so good.
I'm obsessed with this. I just want to like admire it forever.
Imagine you invited someone over for burgers. Want to come over for burger? You mean burger? No, burger.
Do you want to try biting this?
Mm-hmm. Small one's there for you. Okay.
Oh boy. Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
What?
This is way better than the last one.
I lost the back. Stay in. Stay in. Oh my
You know, I'm seeing the appeal in a white burger. There's so much burger here.
Wow. We've made progress in this debate.
It is way cleaner.
And like we could even, it could still be improved,
Mm-hmm.
but we're making a pretty good case here. The bun
Honestly?
is important.
I see it now.
Whoa.
Like, I still love a tall burger, but
Yeah.
I get it.
It's a nice experience.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm so good we did this again.
Me too. I can't believe how beautiful this is.
Make your own buns. That's what I'm learning. Well, I'm gonna make this bun an actual recipe. Wow. I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, so how would we conclude this video?
I think there is no conclusion.
I
I think
still-
this is just the beginning.
I think there's a time and a place for both these burgers.
Yeah.
But I am I'm starting to understand the wide burger side of this.
Okay. And I get the tall burger too. They're both good.
This is how all discussion should go.
They're both good. We've just, figured out how to make them both as good as they can be.
Mm-hmm.
Because they both have their challenges.
Homemade buns.
At the end of the day, it's about the bun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? That's what we're here to say.
Honestly, actually, you know what I'm coming to learn about burgers? Is that no matter how good the toppings are, the bun can make or break the burger experience. Right?
Interesting. Do you agree? Sound off in the comments. Sound off with your hot burger bun takes. And were you
so happy about
like
this.
team wide or tall before? And did this change anything for you?
Wow.
Do you feel like
This is better than a Big Mac.
your life has been changed by this bun?
Mm-hmm.
Because I think it has.
Mm-hmm.
And also, we talked about this earlier, but what other things should we make in different sizes to compare?
But like, imagine, you know how people serve sliders for parties? Mini burgers? That, and then just cut it up into wedges.
And then it's just like slice and dice.
Yeah.
See?
Can you cut me a slice of burger?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, that's it. We did it. Thanks
We
for
did it.
watching.
I'm so happy.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Have a good bun.
Have a good bun.
I hope you have good buns in your life.